Hello everyone, I welcome you all to IPM International School Ireland computer class and meet Mr. David, your virtual computer teacher. And today he will be teaching you GUI operating system desktop management. The operating system is a special program that allows us to interact with the computer. It acts as an interface between the computer user and hardware. Without the operating system, we cannot start the computer to work on it. Operating system manages all the activities performed by the user like listening music, typing, downloading, printing, etc. After loading the operating system, the following interface appears called the desktop. Let us study about the elements of the desktop, and first we have the icons. An icon is a small graphical representation of a program or file. When you double click an icon, the associated file will be opened. To select the icon, we simply click once on the icon. You can also select the multiple icons in the following two manners. Selecting adjacent icons. Click the first icon, press and hold down the shift key, and now click the last icon. The icons will be selected in the sequence. Selecting non-adjacent icons. Click the first icon, press and hold down the control key. Now click on each of the icons to be selected. Now let us learn about arranging icons on the desktop. Right-click on the desktop and select View option by clicking on it. Here, click the Auto Arrange Icons option. The icons will get arranged on the desktop. Taskbar. The bottom strip on the desktop screen is known as the taskbar. It is useful in many ways. On its extreme left, the taskbar contains the Start button. Pressing this button allows you to explore the computer and its applications. Now children, let us learn about changing the wallpaper. Right-click on the desktop and click Personalize option. Click the Desktop Background option and then click on the background image as per your choice. Last step, click the Save Changes button. This way you can change the wallpaper. Let us learn about setting a screensaver. Right-click on the desktop in an empty area. From the drop-down menu, select the Personalize option. Click the Screensaver option. Select any screensaver of your choice. Select the time in the wait box. Now, working with multiple windows. On the computer, you can open multiple program windows to work. For example, you can open 3 windows, MS Paint, Word and Notepad. But you can work in single window at a time, so you need to switch among them. Moving on to Minimize, Maximize and Close button. Minimize. This button is pressed to hide the screen from the desktop. Maximize. It is used to enlarge the screen. And Close. It is used to close the window. Next we have setting up date and time. To set the date and time on your computer, right-click the date and time display on the taskbar and then choose Adjust Date and Time from the shortcut menu. Change the time and date to what you want. Then click OK. Now adjusting speaker volume. To adjust speaker volume, click speaker icon on the lower right corner of the taskbar and change the volume by moving the slider. The shortcut menu. On pointing to an icon and right-clicking on top of it, the menu that appears is known as the shortcut menu. This menu is also known as context menu. Now let us learn renaming file or folder. To rename a file, just click on Rename option from the shortcut menu and the file name gets editable. You may type any name you want for the folder. Now let us quickly go through the recap. So children, that's all for today. Now you have to complete your assignment and mail it to me on my mail ID. Thank you.